I opened the can and it exploded. Where's the top? Whoa, man.
Awesome.
Awesome, I hurt my finger.
Ouch.
Where's the top at? That's what I want to see.
Did it just like explode?
It exploded. There was an explosion. It popped.
I heard it from my room. It was like pop.
It splattered over here. Look.
I thought it was the
Oh,
tomato.
here goes the top. Look, it exploded. The top was over here.
I thought it was the tomato juice or something.
The can was under pressure. The top was bent. And I opened it with this. It exploded in my finger and my hand, and this hit my finger. It hurts a lot.
It's like purple.
Look at this, foaming. Lucky it was spilling over there. I ran over. I put it
So
in.
we can't use the beans now?
No, look at them. They're expanded. They're all exploded, and my finger caught the brunt of the explosion.
That's cool.
It's I don't know. I hope my finger's okay. The beans look like they exploded. Let's see. Look at that. It's foaming.
Ooh,
And the can was bent.
that looks nasty.
Look at that. Some kind of reaction.
That looks really gross.
Yeah, it hurt.
Why is it exploding?
I have no idea. It was under pressure big time.
So it's just like bubbling, I guess?
Alright, let's look at that.
Gross. It's like brains. Yeah. Bubbles. Ugh. Lesson to be learned. Never open Goya beans when the top is bent. It's crazy.
They are getting no push on that offensive line right now. 2.5-yard gain, 4 green, second down.
Let's check over here. It's splatter? No, I didn't splatter. Just the can.